Welcome to all in Sympathy Institute of Homeopathic Pharmacy channel. Today I will continue my external application chapter and I will discuss about lotion today. So what is lotion? What is the types of lotion and what are the importance of lotion in homeopathy? I will discuss all the things about lotion today in this video. So let's start about lotion. What is lotion? Lotion is a kind of liquid medicament and it is usually prepared by the aqueous solution or sometimes it is prepared by alcoholic solution also, and it contains the insoluble material like in form of suspension or emulsion. Due to the aqueous solution, it has the low viscosity preparation and it has also a binding agent such as cetryl alcohol to keep the emulsion together. If you ask about the types of lotion, so I will suggest you according to the therapeutic uses it can be classified the lotion. So there are so many kinds of lotion available in market. If you have to classify the lotion, so it can be like skin maintaining lotion, damage repairing lotion, cellulite reduction lotion, anti-wrinkle or anti-aging lotion, anti-tan and fairness lotion, anti-scratch marks lotion. So there are so many kind of lotion available in market. Now we talk about the preparation. How to prepare the lotion? First of all, we will talk about the aqueous kind of lotion, then we will talk about the alcoholic kind of lotion. So what thing is required for the aqueous lotion? The material required is olive oil 200 ml, purified water 750 ml and emulsifying wax 50 ml. Only three things is required for the aqueous lotion. And how to process it and how to prepare it? First of all, we will take the small saucepan with full of water and set it on the medium low to use as a water bath. Secondly, olive oil and emulsifying wax combine together into the heat-proof beaker and melt the mixture in the water bath. Third, fill the two beaker with water and heat it in the microwave on high for 2 minutes or until it's boiled. Alternatively, boil water on the stove and pour it into the measure. When the oil and emulsifying wax mixture has melted, pour it into the water. Your lotion should now have the consistency of a skim milk. Let's talk about the alcohol lotion. How to prepare it? There are two kind of formulas to prepare alcohol lotion. Formula first and formula second. Firstly, I will discuss about the first formula. In first formula, the material required are alcohol 600 ml, aloe vera 395 ml, lemongrass oil 5 ml and emulsifier 10 ml. And in formula second, the material required are isopropyl alcohol means ethanol 600 ml, hydrogen peroxide 200 ml, glycerol 100 ml and boiled cold water or sterile distilled water 200 ml will be required. To prepare the alcohol lotion, processes are: first, pour all ingredients into a beaker, ideally one with a pouring spout like a glass measuring container. Secondly, stir with a glass rod or a spoon with added to emulsifying wax. After the emulsion, add aloe vera gel. Third, pour the ingredient into an empty bottle for easy use and label it like a hand sanitizer. Being a homeopathic professional, we must be talk about the homeopathic preparation of lotion also. And what are the principles and processes? As per the HPI, 1:9 ratio is required. Means the 1 part of the mother tincture by weight or volume and 9 part of the purified water. So mix together, and the processes are to prepare the lotion. Proper quantity of distilled water is taken in a glass vial. Secondly, the required quantity of mother tincture poured over into it. And third, shaking vigorously. So this is the process to prepare the homeopathic lotion. Somebody always asks about the difference between lotion and liniment. So today I will discuss about the differences between the lotion and liniment. Lotion are liquid preparation meant for the external application without friction, and while the liniments are usually applied to the skin with friction and rubbing of the skin. The big difference between the liniment and lotion: the lotion not required friction but the liniment required friction. Secondly, the lotion are slightly less viscous than liniment. Lotion are applied before bath, whereas liniment is applied after taking a bath. Lotion are applied directly to the skin, while a liniment should not be applied to the broken skin because it may cause excessive irritation. So these are the differences between the lotion and liniment. Lotion can be used as an antipruritic moisturizer, sanitizer, cosmetics. So these are the uses of lotion. And when we discuss about the instructions, so for external use only, it must be required to paste on the file of lotion. And the lotion are emulsion preparation that contain insoluble matter, so it should be shaken before use, and a note of the shake well before is also necessary to paste on the file of lotion. If you think our video is very informative, so like, subscribe and comment please. Thank you very much.